Hello, this is Elizabeth Sanchez, the Program Manager for the Chancellor's Doctoral Incentive Program, or as we refer to it, CDIP. I'm here today with Cecile Lindsay, the Program Faculty Director, to inform you about CDIP. We have prepared 3 modules for you. The first module gives you an overview of the program, including what the program aims to achieve, what the program offers to doctoral students and their mentors, and who can participate in the program. The second module describes the application process step by step, how to prepare each element of the application, and what applicants need to pay particular attention to in order to make their applications competitive. The third and final module describes the selection process once the applications are forwarded from campuses to the Chancellor's office, highlighting the selection criteria that the selection committee considers in evaluating the applications, as well as what happens post-award after you are selected as a participant. So let's start by discussing what CDIP is all about. CDIP was established in 1987 to increase the number of promising doctoral students interested in applying for future CSU instructional faculty positions. We are able to do this by providing scholars with a financial loan and mentor support. Other potential benefits include forgiving the CDIP loan for every year of CSU employment after earning a doctorate degree. We would love for you to succeed in pursuing your doctoral degree and return to the CSU as faculty. And the CDIP can help you succeed in 2 ways. 1, students receive financial support. We offer our scholars loans up to $10,000 per year with a maximum amount of $30,000. The loan is repayable over a 15-year period commencing 1 year full-time doctoral study. The loan is forgivable at the rate of 20% for each year of full-time postdoctoral teaching employment in the CSU. 2, students are mentored by a CSU faculty member who will support the CDIP scholar's successful completion of their doctoral studies and enhance the CDIP scholar's potential for employment in a faculty position at a CSU. CDIP scholars are also eligible to apply to our competitive grants. The program offers 2 types of grants that are aimed to support our students' professional development. The mini-grant program supports scholars by providing up to $2,500 and $1,200 for CSU mentors. The mini-grant program supports the scholar's research, teaching, or creative activities, including thesis and dissertation projects. The travel grant program supports scholars by providing up to $1,200 for both scholar and mentor. The travel grant program supports scholars' participation in workshops or conferences. I encourage you to visit our website for deadlines and information on eligible expenses. So let's discuss eligibility. Who can apply to CDIP? CDIP accepts applications from undergraduate and master's level students in the application process to accredited doctoral programs in the U.S. New or continuing full-time doctoral students enrolled in accredited programs in the U.S. and CSU lecturers enrolled full-time in doctoral programs. There are special eligibility considerations from professional doctoral programs such as the EDD, DMP, DPT, DSW, and PsyD, as well as online degree programs. Students may apply only if they plan to pursue a tenure-track faculty position and their doctoral program's mission explicitly includes preparation and training of future university faculty members. Additional eligibility concerns to consider. Participants do not have to be CSU students or employees to apply for CDIP. U.S. citizenship is not required for CDIP, but applicants for faculty positions must be eligible to work in the U.S. Past and current CSU lecturers are encouraged to apply. And now Cecile Lindsay will go over the role of the CDIP faculty mentor.
What distinguishes CDIP from other educational loan programs is the required mentorship component. In order to apply for CDIP, you must have a mentor sponsoring your application. The role of the mentor is twofold. First, it's to make sure the CDIP scholar successfully completes their doctoral training. This would involve supporting the scholar's development as a researcher, either directly with their research program or indirectly guiding their research-related activities, such as scholarly presentations at professional conferences or manuscript writing. Supporting the scholar's development as a teacher is also critical. Mentors can offer opportunities to co-teach a course or provide feedback and guidance on teaching. The second goal has to do with helping the CDIP scholar become familiar with the CSU, both its institutions and its students. Mentors can introduce scholars to other CSU faculty, thereby facilitating the scholar's professional networking and understanding of the workings of the CSU. Mentors begin their mentoring with the application phase. Their input is critical for a successful application. We'll cover this in detail in the next module on application guidelines. Naturally, the question then becomes, who can serve as a CDIP mentor? Any full-time tenure track or tenured faculty member at one of the 23 CSU campuses can serve as a CDIP faculty mentor. Ideally for the applicant, the mentor is from the same or a related discipline, but that is not required. If the mentor is from a different discipline, a case should be made how the mentor can provide effective and relevant guidance and support to the applicant. Finding the right CSU faculty member willing to serve as your mentor is almost half the work that goes into the application. A good mentor can help you put together a strong application and ensure that you get all the benefits of the CDIP. If you're a current or former CSU student, you have a number of options. Your mentor could be your undergraduate advisor, your research mentor or thesis advisor, or a faculty member who does the kind of research you want to pursue in your doctoral program. If you're a lecturer currently or were a lecturer at a CSU, you could approach the chair of the department where you teach. You could also contact a faculty member in your discipline. Some of you may not have any formal ties with a CSU faculty member. If that's the case, you would do the same thing that you would do when you research graduate programs. You go to the website of departments related to your discipline and look up the expertise of the faculty. Then you contact a faculty member who could potentially serve as your mentor and explore that possibility. Make sure to introduce yourself and provide a description of the CDIP, as they may not be aware of this program. It's often beneficial to have some face-to-face, in-person contact while you are preparing the application and during the program. So you may want to consider a CSU campus close to where you are or in locations that are easy for you to visit. Once you've identified an interested CSU faculty member who's willing to sponsor your CDIP application, you're ready to prepare an application. There are a number of ways that you can obtain more information about our program: our website, our staff, Elizabeth Sanchez, the program manager, and myself, her faculty assistant, your campus coordinator. Search CDIP on your campus website and it will take you to the web page. You can also meet us at the biannual California Forum for Diversity in Higher Education, also commonly referred to as the Diversity Forum. We'll be with the college recruiters. In the next module, we will cover the application guidelines.